Are robots and AI putting UAW jobs at risk? Yes, because the fight is no longer theoretical. GM is adding robots after cutting more than 1,000 jobs, and the union says the automation wave is raising real danger for workers on the line. That robot rollout is the trigger behind the latest backlash. GM's flagship EV site is already under pressure from slowing EV demand, and the automaker has paused production at Factory Zero multiple times over the past months. The union sees the timing as impossible to ignore. Robots are arriving after layoffs, not before them, and that makes every new machine look like a warning, not a convenience. The union is not just complaining in public, it is using the grievance process. UAW President Shawn Fain has framed the issue more broadly, saying automation is not only about efficiency, it is about who gets to keep a job when machines and people share the same floor. That makes this more than a one-company dispute. It is a direct challenge to how far automakers can push AI and robotics inside union plants. That cost math is exactly why this fight is spreading. One of the research notes says the long-term pressure could leave the UAW looking like it is heading toward the pasture within the next 10 years if automation keeps expanding. The point is not just replacing a worker with a robot. It is replacing recurring labor costs with machines and software that can be run, tracked, and adjusted around the clock. That is why the union sees AI as part of the same threat. Right now, the dispute is moving through grievances and plant changes, but the real showdown may land in bargaining. The union is already saying this is only one part of a larger fight, and the 2028 contract talks will likely force both sides to confront how much automation belongs in UAW-covered plants. If production keeps slowing and robots keep spreading, this becomes the next defining labor battle in auto manufacturing. What to watch next is simple: whether GM keeps expanding automation at Factory Zero while production stays shaky, and whether the UAW turns this grievance fight into a hard line for the 2028 contract. That is where the job risk becomes real.